Hi, my name is Delphine Akinshete of Delphine Philip Law Limited. I am a solicitor, but I am not your solicitor. This video is for people who are legally in the UK, for people who are on a visa, or Britons who are abroad and have applied for a passport, or even people who are here and have applied for a British passport. The Home Office has offered some guidance which is very useful, and I hope that in this video you understand everything that I am saying. I am not advising you because I am not your solicitor. I only become your solicitor when you pay me to become your solicitor. I am only giving you guidance. So if you are a visitor here in the UK and you are not able to leave the UK, as you are now worried about what will happen to you if you will have problems with immigration laws, would you be classified as an overstayer? Would you then have problems coming into the UK next time? We've had a lot of telephone calls, emails, we have text messages where people have asked the same questions. So I'm hoping that this video will throw more light on what the Home Office policy is. The Home Office has been very kind to issue a guidance, and the guidance is coronavirus advice for UK visa applicants and temporary UK residents. So this guidance, or advice as it's called, is for visa customers and applicants in the UK, visa customers outside of the UK, and British nationals overseas who need to apply for a passport and are now affected by travel restrictions because of the coronavirus. If you are in the UK and your visa has now expired or will soon expire, because nobody knows when this ban on travel will be lifted, nobody knows what is going to happen with the coronavirus and how all of this is going to pan out. And if you are in the UK and your visa expires between the 24th of January 2020 and the 31st of May 2020, you can now apply for an extension. The Home Office has stated that your visa will be extended to the 31st of May 2020 if you cannot leave the UK because of travel restrictions based on the coronavirus. If you have this immigration problem and just don't know what to do, this is what you must do. You must contact the Coronavirus Immigration Team, the CIT, and I'm going to give you the information that you need to send to them. 1. You must give them your full name, any middle names. 2. You need to give them your date of birth. You need to give them date of birth as 01/01/1977. Does that make sense? So that will be the day, that will also be the month in 2 digits, and that would be the year in 4 digits. So 2 digits, 2 digits, and 4 digits. You must give them your nationality. If you are Jamaican, say so. If you are Nigerian, say so. 4. You must give them a previous visa reference number. If you do not have one, say so. They would be able to use your name and your date of birth. However, they have asked that you give any previous visa reference numbers. 5, and this is important, you have to let them know why you cannot go back to your home country. For some people, it might be because they are ill, and for some people, it might be because there's a travel ban. Please, you must state on there. So just basically say, not able to fly because there was a travel ban, contacted the airline that was supposed to fly me back home, but then they told me there were no more planes to fly me back home. The Home Office will then let you know when they have received your request and they will extend your visa. Now this is so interesting. I do say this is interesting because I've had too many queries on this one. Please listen. If you want to apply long-term to stay here in the UK, you normally would have had to leave the UK to make that application from your home country. You do not have to do that at this time. You can make that long-term application from inside the UK. So say for instance, you came here on a visiting visa and you're living with your children and you are unable to go back to your home country due to exceptional circumstances. You want to become dependent on your children. You can make the application from here in the UK. You will need to pay the required home office fees. Most importantly, you will also need to meet the requirements for the visa that you are applying for. So you cannot just say, I want to now stay here because I've been here for the past maybe 4 months, 5 months during the coronavirus period. No, you must be able to meet the normal requirements for that visa category. If you're not sure what they are, please feel free to contact me and I will be quite happy to advise you on what they are. And this will also include those whose leave has been extended to the 31st of March 2020. Please note that UK Visa and Citizenship Application Centres, Post Office Enrolment Services and Service and Support Centres are temporarily closed. However, solicitors continue to work. Please call us, text us or email us on business days and within business hours, and we'll be quite happy to help because, however, we're not able to see you face to face. I hope that this video has been very helpful. If you have any queries, please let us know. But please note, I am not your solicitor. Until you pay me to become your solicitor, I can only give guidance on this channel. I cannot give you advice. I hope that this has been helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share this video. It might be helpful to somebody out there, especially people who do not have access to justice, who need help but are not able to pay for their fees. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Delphine.